Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Have you ever wanted to watch ZEE5 on your Windows PC without opening a browser? Every single time, maybe you are watching FIFA World Cup matches, movie, TV show or live sports and searching for ZEE5 again and again can be annoying. The good news is that you can install ZEE5 as a desktop app on Windows in less than a minute. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do this. Let's get started. First, open your browser. So I am using Google Chrome. Open your web browser like this. Now visit the ZEE5 website. In the Google, you need to search ZEE5 and open this. Okay, like this. Now if you don't sign in into this account, just simply sign in with your account, click on login and sign in it. Okay, after successfully sign in, move to the next step. If you are using Google Chrome browser, look at the right side of the address bar. Here you can get one option, install icon. Just click on it. If you don't see this icon, click on three dots, scroll down and find out cast, save and share. Extend this and here you can get the option install. So just simply select the install option. Within a second, ZEE5 will be installed as a desktop application. So just once again confirm it. As you can see guys, now you can close everything, your browser as well. On your desktop, as you can see guys, the desktop shortcut was, the app shortcut was created. So just double click and open it. Now every time you don't need to open your web browser, directly from your desktop you can easily able to launch the ZEE5 application. If you want to also pin this icon to your taskbar, press the Windows key button and here you need to search ZEE5 and here you can get the option pin to taskbar. Just click on it, the icon will pin to your taskbar. From your taskbar you can also able to access this. That's how you can install ZEE5 as a desktop app on Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. It is quick, free and make accessing your favorite content much easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction and turn on notification for more Windows tip, tech tutorials and streaming guide. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.